Something in the art world that I love is symmetry. So I'm going to show you how we use these loose parts to create symmetry, and that is a wonderful introduction into the world of art. Here we are going to look at symmetry, and it's very similar to pattern repetition, but you're going to do it as a mirror image. So here I've created a pattern. Make sure to only use one of each color. For instance, I'm going to show you there is a dark purple and another dark purple. There's two of each color. So make sure that you only use one of the two when you create the pattern for your child, that they have the corresponding piece to use on the other side. Otherwise it won't work. So let's see a line here in our mind's eye, and we are going to do a mirror image or create symmetry on that side. So we're going to repeat exactly what we see, and we're going to do it as a mirror image. This is interesting. Okay, we've got a dark brown one, then we've got a light brown one behind it, and then an orange one to the side. Then we've got the darker yellow there, and we've got the bright yellow, and then we've got this beehive here. Okay, then we've got the pink turquoise, and then we've got the light pink and the bright red, and then we've got the dark purple. It's this one, right? Okay, there we've got the pink flower and the dark pink flower, and then we've got yellow to one side, and this one is not the orange, it's the red one to that side, and then we finish off with cones, green, turquoise and orange, and that's a lot of fun.